In this video, we're gonna try to solve this problem. So we are given a circle centered at 2, 0 and have a radius 2, and another one centered at 0, 4 and have a radius 4. The two circles, they intersect, okay? And when they intersect, they have this common area here, okay? So this is the area that they have. Maybe you don't see the other half, the other corner of the circle, okay? So this one in red. Our aim is to find this area. So I took this problem for a channel called Mind Your Decision. I have the link in the description if you wanna see the solution, the geometric solution. So here I'm gonna solve it using calculus. I will not do all the details, but I will give enough information so that you can solve this one by yourself. So it's like 99% solution that I gave, only 1% left. So this is called China viral problem. So the area here. So what we can do here is that we can use this one, or we can center the x-axis and y-axis here at this point in the corner, and we can take this is as our x-axis and this is our y-axis, and therefore this circle will be centered at 2, 0 and will have radius 2. This circle, the second one, will be centered at 0, 4 and will have a radius 4. Okay, so what we can do is we can find the equation of this graph. Okay, this is a corner of circle, and we can find the graph of this circle, the upper part of the circle, and when we intersect them, we're gonna find these 2 points. And once we do that, we integrate the small circle, the graph of the small circle minus the graph of the bigger circle to find this area. Okay, so I have done these steps here. So here, this is the circle centered at 2, 0 and having radius 2. This is the equation. So I get the y. So I call this one f of x. And I took the upper part because that's the one that interests me. The second circle, I found its equation to be this one, okay? And I took the lower part. So it's going to be 4 minus square root of 16 minus x squared. And once I do that, to find these 2 points, the points in common, so I made these 2 equations, or these 2 graphs, intersect by solving this equation here. And also I had to impose this condition, so the solution has to be between 0 and 4, okay? Because that's where the points of intersect they're gonna be. In fact, they're gonna be less than that, but I have to do this condition and work without worrying about square root or any other stuff, okay? So once I do that, I get to this equation here, okay? The solution for this equation are x is 0 or 16 over 5. And we see clearly here that they have this point in common, 0. And this point here is 16 over 5, okay? Now, according to calculus, so if this is the function f and this is g, so the area is given by 0 to 16 over 5 of f of x minus g of x dx, okay? And that's what I think I did it here on this separate, okay? So here, okay? So now, so this is the area that we can find. We can do it using our hands, but I have done a similar problem. So we can use some change of variable and using the arc sign by the end. So I did it in the calculator because I didn't want to do all the steps by hand because it's similar and it's solved everywhere. So the Mind Your Decision found that the area was 3.8 something. For me, I used my calculator, which is TI-89. So the TI-89, I have it here. So I'm gonna show you how to do it if you have this one or something similar. So here, these are some steps that will definitely help you if you want to do this. So let me zoom in so you can see. So this is my function. So I define a function and I store it using the store button here. Okay, this button stores your function as some function of x. Okay, now we go to the menu here to go to F3. So let me go down. Okay, so this is the area, so I integrated, and this is the area that I get 3. Let me get some light. 3.84696. So this is the area. It's close to the one that Mind Your Decision gets. So here you see the arc sign. I don't want to give you the details. So this is the signs. The powerfulness of the TI-89 you see on the top. It's even giving you the integral sign and the dx and. Okay, so this is the area 3.8, and the only thing left is I didn't do anything by hand here. I stopped here. The final step, I did it on the calculator, and I trust this calculator. It's very powerful, and I get the same result as the one that Mind Your Decision get. I didn't want to go into a lot of details because I have similar problem that was viral, and I solved it by calculus. So this is for the guys asking about calculus solution. This is the solution. If you find any mistakes, please let me know. Thank you very much.